Hello, I'm Chief Justice Charles Canady. It's important to me to make sure that people who come to court are able to navigate through the judicial process effectively. DIY Florida makes that more likely. For many self-represented litigants, the do-it-yourself DIY interviews available on the Florida Court's e-filing portal are a good place to start. You do not need to come to the courthouse to file documents. You can do so from any internet-connected computer, and with guidance from helpful, straightforward interviews available online, users can answer questions about themselves and their issues and complete the necessary forms for ready filing. The DIY Florida project represents a long-standing partnership and collaboration between the Florida Supreme Court and the Florida Court's e-filing authority. This joint effort has reached a level of success with the assistance of the Florida Legislature and Florida's Clerks of Court. DIY Florida has interviews to create forms for small claims, dissolution of marriage, and a variety of requests for protective orders, the most commonly used forms used by self-represented litigants. New case types are being added every month. Filers only pay a fee if the form is actually filed. There is no charge to set up an account on the Florida Court's e-filing portal, and there is no charge to use the DIY Florida system. This project is designed to help you seek solutions from Florida's courts. I encourage you to go to myflcourtaccess.com to learn more and get started.